Hi friends, welcome to Smile Nursing Tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about the introduction of midwifery. Okay, one by one we'll see. First, what is midwifery? See, midwifery is known as obstetrics. It is a health profession that deals with pregnancy, childbirth and the postpartum period and care of the newborn besides sexual and reproductive health of women throughout their lives. What is obstetrics? Obstetrics is the field of study concentrated on pregnancy, childbirth and the postpartum period. Next, what is fertility? The ability to conceive and bear children through normal sexual activity. What is MMR? You know very well about that. Maternal mortality rate. What is IMR? Infant mortality rate. What is stillbirth? Stillbirth is the birth of a baby who is born without any sign of life at or after 24 weeks of pregnancy. A baby may have died during late pregnancy is called the stillbirth. What is antenatal? Antenatal is the period before something is born. For example, third trimester of human pregnancy. What is intranatal? Occurring with reference to the child during the birth. That means during delivery. What is postnatal? Occurring or being after birth, especially or relating to an infant immediately after birth. So, today we have discussed about the midwifery, introduction and terminology. Thank you for watching this video. If you want new updates, subscribe my channel.